Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, this follows when we have a times a, which is same thing as a squared. This here we can write this as 9 raised to power x or squared equals to 90 from here. The next step here, this follows when we have a raised to power n raised to power n. This same thing as a raised to power mn. This power multiplies, we have 9 raised to power 2x equals to 90 from here. The next step here, we take the log on both sides. That is, we have log 9 raised to power 2x equals to log 90 from here. The next step, we apply the power law of logarithm when we have log m raised to power p. This same thing as p log m. That is here, this becomes 2x log 9 equals to log 90 from here. At this next step, divide both side by log 9. Divide this side by log 9. Also divide this side by log 9, which implies log 9 cancel each other here. We have 2x equals to log 90 over log 9. The next step here, we can write 90 as 9 times 10, which implies here we have 2x equals to log 9 times 10 over log 9. Then this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, which can be written as log a plus log b. That is, here we have 2x equals to log 9 plus log 10 over log 9. That is, we separate this into two fractions, and we have 2x equals to log 9 over log 9 plus log 10 over log 9. Then, next step here, we have log 9 cancel each other and 1 left here, which implies 2x equals to 1 plus log 10 over log 9. The next step here, we can express 10 as 2 times 5, which implies this becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 times 5 over log 9. Then, also this follows the law of logarithm, and we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 plus log 5 over log 9. Then next step here, separate this into two fractions, and we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 over log 9 plus log 5 over log 9, which implies here we can write 9 as 3 times 3, that's 3 squared. Then what we have here becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 over log 3 squared plus log 5 over log 3 squared. Here we apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes there, and also here this becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 over 2 log 3 plus also log 5 over 2 log 3. Then this here we have 2x equals to 1 plus, alright, this as 1 over 2 times log 2 over log 3 plus also 1 over 2 times log 5 over log 3. Then Next step here, we apply change of base. When we have log A over log B, this is the same thing as log A to base B. That is, here we have 2x equals to 1 plus 1 over 2 times log 2 base 3 plus 1 over 2 times log 5 base 3. Then we can bring this together as one fraction. This 1 over 1. This becomes 2x equals to the SCM here, that's 2. And this becomes 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3. Then here, multiply both side by 1 over 2. Does it multiply this side by 1 over 2? Also, multiply this side by 1 over 2. Here, 2 cancel each other here. And we have x equals to 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 over 2 times 2, which is 4. That is, we have the value of x in this problem as 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 over 4. Then let's check here if this satisfies this given problem. That is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 4. That is, what we have here becomes 9 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 4 times also 9 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 4. Is it equals to 90 on this side? Then here we have same base multiplying, which follows when we have a raised to power m times a raised to power also same power m can rise as a raised to power m plus m, that's 2m. This here also we can rise as 9 raised to power 2 times 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 4. Is it equals to 90 on this side? This here, this power multiplies 2 here 1 and 2 here 2. And we have 9 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 2. This is equals to 90 on this side. Then here also, 9 can be written as 3 square, which is raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 2. Is it equals to 90 on this side? Then this power also multiplies. 2 here cancel each other. We have 3 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3. Is it equals to 90 on this side? Then this follows the law of indices. When we have a raised to power m plus n, this same thing as a raised to power m times a raised to power n. As this here we have 3 square times 3 raised to power log 2 base 3 times 3 raised to power log 5 base 3. Is it equals to 90 on this side? Then 3 square here, that's 9 times this follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a is equals to b. That is, here we have 2 times 5. Is it equals to 90 on this side? Then 2 times 5, 10. And 10 times 9, 90. Which is equals to 90 on this side. Left hand side is equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that x equals to 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 4 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up and put your comments. See you next lesson. Bye for now.